Okay, well, what we got when I came in the shop here this morning, got the chair yesterday. That chair was worth $80 for. It's got a Spartan chassis, Cummins diesel 360 K1, equalizer jack system. They're ready. They're going to buy out Bigfoot. I can see it coming. Equalizer jack system. I was correct there. Okay. Yep. Spartan chassis. It is. Yep. Spartan chassis. Fuel level. Okay. All right. Allison transmission. Best money can buy. Start your generator up here. This is like sticker price. Oh yeah, look, on my bench this morning, a $25 gas card, just for having a clean bench again this morning. I'm telling you guys, you need to fill out your application at RV1 Gainesville, Florida. They send us down people like Josh, 21 years old, send him down to Tampa, and he's doing really good as a new hire. It's a very challenging job, but if you know a lot about apps and technology and how to do Google and just YouTube videos, stuff like that, with all of our training and all of our support, you ain't got to use that type of stuff. We have technical support from all the manufacturers all the time. And we have experts that do all the training programs that you can call them anytime you're stuck on something. So, yeah. But the greatest thing that I come in this morning, and it just melted me. They handed out the monthly efficiency ratings, and what it is sometimes I leave this shop with 4 hours, but I know I got 6 hours warranty out there somewhere. But at the end of the month, they submit all that stuff. But look here, Scotty Collins, April at 7:57 a.m. this morning. RV1 at Gainesville, Florida. Efficiency premise time from all the way to the end of the month. I logged 185.98 hours, and when I was hired, they said a 90% efficiency rate is our goal. There's was my efficiency rate for last month. I set a new shop record, and we don't know just yet, but I may set a company-wide record. We don't know yet. We're going to find out.